Have you ever wondered why some people can achieve financial freedom, even starting from scratch? The truth is that it has nothing to do with luck, inheritance, or high IQ. It has to do with mentality, and mainly with practical action. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 simple and real steps that anyone can apply starting today to start your journey towards financial freedom. If you are tired of surviving from salary to salary or want to stop relying on others, then pay attention until the end. Because these tips have changed the lives of thousands, and can change yours too. Most people don't get rich because they have the wrong mindset. They see money as something dirty, difficult, or reserved only for lucky people. But the truth is simple. Money is a tool, not an enemy. Stop thinking, I can't spend on this, and start thinking, how can I generate more value to pay for it? The millionaire does not ask himself, how much does it cost? He asks himself, how much does this return to me? This small change in mentality is what separates those who live tight from those who start to build wealth. Remember, before you have financial freedom in the bank account, you need to conquer it in the mind. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to understand a simple truth. No one gets rich on a single salary. And it's not because you earn little. It's because you depend on a single source of income. And that's dangerous. Imagine your job disappearing tomorrow. What's left? That's why the second step to building wealth is creating a second source of income. Even if it's small. Even if you think you have nothing to offer. In the United States, thousands of ordinary people started with something small. Baking cakes at home, offering video editing services, renting a room on Airbnb, creating content on TikTok, reselling products on eBay. They didn't wait to have money. They started with courage and a simple idea. You don't need to invent the next Apple. You need something scalable and replicable. Here are real ideas that anyone can start with little or no investment. Online resale. Buy products on sale and sell them on Amazon or eBay with a margin. Many people started with $100 and today earn thousands per month. Digital services. Do you know how to write? Create designs? Translate texts? Sites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you to the world. Info products. Do you have knowledge in something? Cooking? Studying? Meditating? You can package it into an ebook, course, or channel and monetize it. Rentals. Do you have a bike, a car, or even tools that you don't use all the time? There are apps that help you rent these assets. But the key is here, consistency. Earning an extra $200 per month may seem like little. But with reinvestment and discipline, that becomes $1,000. Then $5,000. The magic happens when you reinvest the profits from your extra income, instead of spending it. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Start with what you have, where you are, with what you know. Most people give up because they want to start big. But the real millionaire started small, and didn't stop. And here's a challenge. What's your idea? Leave a comment. This could be the first step to transforming your financial life. Have you ever heard the phrase, money attracts money? It's partially true. But what really multiplies money is financial knowledge applied consistently. Now that you've created an extra income, don't fall into the trap that most people fall into. Spending everything as soon as the money comes in. This is where the third step comes in, making your money work for you. Think about it. Every dollar you save and invest is like a little soldier who goes to the battlefield to bring more dollars back. And you can start with little. Let's look at some practical examples for beginners. American Treasury bonds. One of the safest investments in the world. Ideal for those who are starting out and want to see their money yield stable returns. ETFs. Index funds invest in big companies like Apple, Amazon, Google with just a few dollars, through ETFs like the S&P 500. Real estate investment trusts. REITs. Want to earn a monthly passive income like rent? REITs pay dividends every month and you can invest with low amounts. Micro-investment apps. Apps like Acorns or Robinhood help you invest automatically from pennies per purchase. But the secret is to invest automatically, consistently, and in a disciplined way. Don't try to get the right moment right. Successful investors aren't those who are lucky, but those who have a routine. And here comes one of the most powerful mental triggers, snowball effect. Imagine investing $300 per month in a fund that yields 8% per year. In 10 years, you would have around $55,000. But in 20 years, that amount exceeds $150,000. And in 30 years? Over $340,000. That's the power of compound interest. It's quiet at first, but unbeatable in the long run. And if you're thinking, but I don't understand any of this, remember, you don't have to be a genius to get rich, but you do need to be curious and consistent. Learn even if it's just 10 minutes a day. Read books, watch videos, follow people who talk about finance in a simple way. Financial freedom doesn't require perfection. It requires directed action. Now you'll discover why mindset is everything, and how the way you think could be sabotaging your wealth without you even realizing it. If you've tried to save, invest, or earn more money but you're still stuck, it's probably not a lack of opportunities that's holding you back, but your mindset. Many people believe that they need to earn a lot first and then think like a rich person. But the opposite is true. You need to think like a rich person before you can become one. It all starts with your daily habits and your automatic thoughts. Wanna see? Asterisk, when you get some extra money, is your first reaction to spend it or invest it? Asterisk, do you see an expensive product and think, I can't afford that, or, how can I afford that in a smart way? Asterisk, when someone talks about financial success, do you feel motivated or envious? These little answers reveal what's behind your current financial results. Your unconscious beliefs about money. People with a poor mindset think about spending to look good. People with a rich mindset think about building to live well. That's why you see millionaires wearing plain clothes, driving ordinary cars, and living below their means. It's not boredom or greed. It's focus. They know what they're doing, they spend little on image and a lot on assets. And this mindset isn't something you're born with. It's built with conscious decisions repeated every day. Here are 3 simple habits you can adopt today to reprogram your mind. 1. Write down your financial goals every week. Clarity breeds action. 2. Track your spending daily. What you don't measure, you lose. 3. Consume financial content every day. This connects you with people who think differently and lift you up. And a powerful reminder, financial freedom starts long before your first million. It starts when you decide to live according to your priorities, not someone else's standards. We'll now talk about what really separates those who try and give up from those who get there, building a foolproof personal financial system. Now that you understand the importance of a strong mindset, knowing where you want to go, and changing your daily habits, let's talk about creating a system that will sustain your financial freedom for life. Imagine that you are building a house, but this house is not made of bricks and mortar. It is built on smart financial decisions, consistent investments, and, of course, time. What many people don't realize is that financial freedom is not a one-time goal, but rather an ongoing process. That's why the foundation of your financial system must be flexible, scalable, and adaptable. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about growing steadily and sustainably. Here are the pillars of the financial system you should build. 1. Passive income generation. Many successful millionaires generate wealth not just through their daily work, but through passive income. In other words, money that comes in automatically, even while you're sleeping or resting. This can be done through investments in real estate, dividend-paying stocks, or even by creating a digital business that runs on its own over time. 2. Diversification. The secret of the wealthy is to never put all your eggs in one basket. When you start generating more wealth, it's time to diversify. Don't rely on a single source of income. Invest in a variety of options: real estate, stocks, businesses, etc. 3. Long-term planning. Most people who achieve financial freedom don't obsess over quick money. They plan for the future, investing with a focus on longevity. Consider having a financial retirement, an emergency fund, and always setting aside a percentage to reinvest. 4. Continuous learning. The most efficient system is one that evolves. Investment opportunities are always changing, new technologies emerge, and different markets open up. You need to be constantly learning to make the best financial decisions. Taking courses, reading books, and talking to mentors are all effective ways to expand your knowledge. 5. Action and consistency. Without action, no theory will work. You must implement these steps with consistency. Many people start out well but give up after a while. Therefore, your mission is to be consistent even when the process seems slow or challenging. Here's the key point: it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a solid net worth that will give you freedom in the future. Asterisk asterisk. This is the system that you can start building today, and that will lead you to real financial freedom. And remember, the path is not easy, but it is possible, and anyone can start right now. With that, we close the cycle of 5 steps that can transform your financial life. Now, the last thing you need to do is take action. Start now and take the first step towards a financially free future. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more powerful tips like this, and share it with anyone you know who also needs a financial change. Together we can achieve financial freedom. Let's go.